Is there an app, or will there be an app at some point, like just as far as accessing a lot of this like information and capabilities, like not from a computer, like not, you know, when we're in our car or something like that?
Yeah. So again, the emphasis is going to be getting away from apps and doing voice type of things. However, the way SAM is set up is it is responsive. So if you know, if you've got let me just go to a name here, and it's just a bogus name, but you go into a contact record, it sizes its screen based off of the size of your monitor or whatever window it's in. So if you pull this up on a phone, it's going to look kind of like this, where it's, you know, you've got all the different information and stuff available. And you can use it that way. So, you know, you can find most of the information, most of the details and stuff, you know, through the list this way, very, very easily. And like on this, because it's a smaller screen, we didn't have room for all the buttons. Now you actually have a fourth button on your system projects, but you know, those buttons get a little smaller, but you still have access to all the same stuff.
Okay, that makes sense. I don't think I've even really played with it on the phone yet, so I'll have to do that.
You can go into your mobile browser, and it's just sam.workflowsecrets.info. It's the same one. And so you know, Mark's showing it on a screen emulator, but here it is like on mobile. I don't know how well you can actually see it on my screen. But, but you have the full platform. You have the ability to move. It's just like Mark said, it's truncated down or shrunken for you